Oh no. It's gotta get ugly before it gets pretty. It ain't gonna get much prettier, but took the upper cowling off. Had a, basically, obviously the glass is gone. I mean, the whole front's gone, but the glass is gone, front and rear. It's all back there. I took the dash back out. Probably gonna pull the air box back off just to clean it out because a lot of debris got into it, I believe, with this process. But this was part of weathering it in. When I pulled the glass, found some pretty amazing holes. All right, set it back in place just to show you what I was working with. It's severely pitted, had holes in it. This side was not as holy. That side over there was. So this is, well, I thought about making a, a cut along here and like down here somewhere and just replace this entire strip. And I was like, yeah, I've got the metal, but that's, I mean, these are just spot welds. So I can drill holes like I did the floor pans and do rosette welds and weld a brand new one back in. So that's the plan. I know there's like a little piece right here that is rusted. This is the lower piece. I'll show you that. All right, got that out of the way. So see right here, so I'll just have to like cut this edge off and put a piece in. I'm gonna fill in these holes, grind it all back down smooth, give it some weld through primer. And this also gives me opportunity to seam seal all down inside of here. So I'll be able to get this really good. I already did this outside seam when I did the box, but I'll do it better this time. And get along back here. The other side over there, same thing. So I was really expecting a little bit more tragedy on this, but it's actually not that bad. So I want to clean these up really good, get them ready to put the glass back in. I'm not doing a full body restoration. I didn't even want to do this. I'm not doing a full body restoration. Basically want to get it weathered in so I can drive it, not get water intrusion if it happens to rain. But drive it, enjoy it like it is. Somebody says, hey, want to sell it? The answer is probably going to be yes. But again, I just want to get it to a point where I can drive it and enjoy it. So the back glass out. Oh yeah, there's something missing right here. The back glass, where the back glass goes, looks pretty good. It's in pretty good shape. But with the glass out, I can get back here to these guys. So I got some holes up here that need to be repaired. Actually pushing on that. That's pretty good. I don't know. Are those supposed to be there? I don't think so. But I'll get this channel all cleaned out and get ready for the back glass to get put back in. Well, that's a quick little update. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget that subscribe button, and have a great day.